obviously this is not the car that was on fire. This is just another 93 Cobra, teal. Gray interior. You gotta have child seats for the kiddos. But just a pretty much all stock 93 Cobra. Runs good, fun to drive. Not very fast, but fun to drive. Let's look under the hood. There it is. It's a stock 93 Cobra. Light even works. Amazing. So obviously that's not the car that was on fire. Here's a clip of us unloading it at the body shop. Took forever to get in there. They're so backed up. Also took a while to get a quarter panel. I guess everybody knows nowadays it's tough to get parts. But once we get that back from the body shop, I think we can get that car going pretty quick. We're just gonna basically swap out all the wiring. We have another 93 that we took all the wiring off of. We're gonna completely redo the wiring, and we have a black interior. And because we're gonna do something different, instead of paint the car teal, we got this cool wrap. I think it's gonna look pretty neat. It's like a, I don't know, kind of looks like a rusted kind of tealish wrap. Have I ever wrapped a car before? No, but I watched 3 YouTube videos, so I'm pretty much an expert now. Thanks for watching Concrete Cars. We'll keep you updated the further the body shop gets along, and get some more videos going here. Thanks for watching. All right, finally. Took us forever to get a quarter panel. We got her all apart. So, as you can see here, panel's warped because of heat, big time. And yeah, you're good. And put inside here, nice and clean. Everything's pretty good. The other side's a lot better, if you can say that, but not as bad. Took us forever to get a quarter panel. So, we got a new quarter here. Took us forever to get. So, we'll get it off. Okay. Be a little more. Yep.
next time you see it. Hopefully it looks a lot better than this. She's ugly.